Okay everyone, so let's look at the dance moves for shapes. We'll start with the first line. It's time to draw. We're going to make a clock with our body. Let's stretch out our left hand, have our right hand down, and then click through. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, for shapes we know, let's tap our brain. 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put those together. It's time to draw all the shapes we know. Okay, one more time. It's time to draw all the shapes we know. Now to finish off the verse, we're going to do a spin on Here We Go. So on here, we're going to place our foot and then spin around. Okay, one more time. Here we go. Spot on, everyone. Now let's have a look at the chorus. For I love drawing, we're going to use our feet. So we're going to step out and go 1, 2, 3 together. And again, 1, 2, 3 together. But let's add a love heart because we love drawing. So it's going to be all together. I love drawing. And again, I love drawing. Now to get back for drawing in the air, we're going to spin. But also, let's paint our arms in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, from out here, we're stepping out with that left foot, drawing in the air. Okay, now for the bridge, things are going to get a little funky. Firstly, it's draw in the air like you just don't care. So let's point our paintbrushes. Draw in the air like you just don't care. Then, for scribble, scribble, wiggle, wiggle, let's use both arms and go scribble, scribble, wiggle, wiggle, scribble, scribble, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, let's put that together. Draw in the air like you just don't care. Scribble, scribble, wiggle, wiggle, scribble, scribble, wiggle, wiggle. Draw in the air like you just don't care. Scribble, scribble, wiggle, wiggle, scribble, scribble, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, that's it. That's all the dance moves for shapes. Now remember, you can go back and watch this video again and again until you've got it down. Once you have, head over to the music video and sing and dance along with shapes. Ciao, ciao.